This is the ComplEAT by Gerber. The ComplEAT is designed for users who need a tool that they can cook, clean, and eat with that's compact, organized, and easy to transport. Not only is the spatula a chassis to hold the rest of the implements together, it's got a silicone edge for scraping and cleaning, got a serrated edge for light cutting duty, and its glass-filled nylon construction is rigid enough to be a real spatula and withstand high temperatures. The ComplEAT also includes a fork and a spoon, either of which can be used to convert the spatula into a pair of tongs. Also included with the ComplEAT is a 4-function solid-state multi-tool that includes a package opener, can opener, bottle opener, and vegetable peeler. The ComplEAT's nesting design makes it easy to transport, and its aluminum and glass-filled nylon construction makes it corrosion resistant. All that, and it also weighs less than 2.5 ounces. The ComplEAT is available in silver, onyx, flat sage, and burnt bronze. Organization can be key when it comes to setting up a camp kitchen. The ComplEAT takes care of all that by nesting together and staying clean.